EatWell is an interactive Google map of all the food options here at VCU. To visit the map, go to our website, recwell.vcu.edu. Go to Thrive, Wellbeing Resources, and click on Nutrition and Food Access. Here, you'll find information on food and nutrition and EatWell. Click here to enlarge the map. Now let's walk through how to get the most out of EatWell. Click on the description to view our pricing legend and our dietary options legend. We're talking real meal options here, not just the one side of fries on the menu. There are lots of different layers on EatWell. You can find food that's open on weekends, food that's vegan friendly, where the nearest vending machine is, and more. So let's play around. Uncheck boxes to narrow down your search. If you select food venues on campus, you can see a list of all the restaurants that we have on Monroe Park. Now let's say you're looking for some coffee. Click on Cafes and Beverages, and coffee cups will appear on the map. It looks like the closest one is right here. Let's click on it. We can see that this cafe is Starbucks in the library. When you click on a food location, you can view more information about it. This includes the average price, types of payment accepted, types of food offered, dietary options they provide, and the building's hours. So let's say it's finals week, and you're looking for coffee that is open after 8 p.m. Click on Open Late, and you can see all the food venues that are open after 8. It looks like Starbucks is open after 8 p.m., so let's go there. Click on this arrow to get directions via Google Maps from your location. Let's go through a few more things. You can click on this star to add the map to your Google Maps, and that way you won't always have to go through our website to access EatWell. Want to submit a change to the map? Maybe you found a secret vending machine or a restaurant recently added more vegan options. Click on this link in our description to access our Google form and submit your proposed update. You have the option to provide your VCU email so we can get in touch to discuss your update. Questions about EatWell? Email us at wellbeing@vcu.edu. Thanks for watching and happy eating!